Goody. Oh, Goody. Oh, do you love me so? Oh, Goody. Oh, that's how I'm in the
Golf
movie.
Channel pleased to be bringing you round 2 coverage of the HP Byron Nelson
Goody, look at
Championship.
your
Win the day
movie.
here at Irving,
You're
Texas. TPC Four
famous.
Seasons Resort.
I'm a
Good
famous cat.
championship
I'm a famous
shaping up.
cat.
Sergio Garcia, Nick Watney, and the Turtles have reappeared. The one turtle started the players.
You know, I love this around here at the Four Seasons, but they throw a log out to keep the turtles fed. I like this guy. You see this guy right here? He's like, whoa, wait a minute, guys. You guys been here 30 minutes.
Are you the world's greatest
You
cat,
get 30 minutes on
Cooter?
the log, and then you gotta go eat a fish or something. I don't know. Outdoors games. Somebody tell Byron get to the top.
The turtle with the players who peeked over, thought about it, and then made the leap.
Diving. Yes. Scott Pearson.